How Terra Luna can be revived. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most important features of the Luna Classic. As most of you already know, the digital currency Terra, LUNA, had a remarkable accident, losing nearly all of its value and throwing financial backers into a frenzy. The defixing of the stablecoin TerraUSD, UST, was blamed for the incident. As a result of losing its dollar value, the UST expenses have sharply decreased. UST's price was 0.08596 cents at the time of this writing, while LUNA's price was 0.001366 cents, according to data from the CoinMarketCap. Finally, supporters have lost faith in cryptocurrency as a result of the shocking drops, and Binance Trade has even gone as far as to stop trading LUNA. LUNA 2.0, a restoration strategy, was discovered by organizer Do Kwon to help the Terra ecosystem financially recover. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your phone number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of these scams and the spam comments in the comment section. What's going on here? LUNA 2.0 references the Lunar Recovery Plan 2, which Do Kwon just discovered in a blog post. The arrangement includes several modifications, ranging from a fresh blockchain to a whole symbolic reset. The Existence Establishment Watchman, LFG, of Terra has supplied resources worth around $1.5 billion to help with the LUNA expense. In any event, as should be evident from the most current LUNA members, it didn't proceed as planned. Restoration Plan 2 was subsequently announced. The value decline of the stablecoin TerraUSD and its sister coin Luna, which began in May, sent the market for digital currency into a tailspin. Digital currency's wild cost unpredictability is nothing new. In any event, TerraUSD's financial supporters were taken aback by the unanticipated drop in price because it is a purported stablecoin. Making a stride back, what occurred? The algorithmic stablecoin, UST, which is the driving force behind the Terra ecosystem and was built upon it, lost its share on May 9th. A few days later, it was then being sold for around 30 cents, a startling 70% loss than its planned price of $1. Because of the way the computation works, traders might swap one UST, exchanged for less than $1, for one Luna. The plan's goal was to destroy the UST, reduce its stockpile, and then devalue it by flooding the market. Despite this, there was a strong selling presence, and the UST never came close to reaching its $1 objective. Due to the vendor's increased ability to print Luna, a large stock of more than 6 million Luna was amassed in a short period. Without the ability to admit it, such rapid stockpile growth in such a short period became evident, and the value of Luna fell to zero. What will the new blockchain be called? Does Kwon predict that the current Terra Luna will fork into a different one? As in the past, it will fall short of the UST stablecoin component. The more seasoned group will now go by the name Terra Classic, LUNC. The new blockchain will be also known as Terra, to prevent confusion amongst potential financial supporters, LUNA. Will free LUNA tokens be appropriated? Anyone that stake their present LUNC tokens, residual USTs, and other essential tokens on the LUNC biological system will receive an airdrop of the new LUNA tokens. Who will get the LUNA tokens? The Terra people group will continue to get their free LUNA tokens as of now. This seems okay given that LUNA intends to be a locally claimed blockchain. Terraform Labs' wallet address will be added to the whitelist for the neighborhood airdrop. Will there be a symbolic reset? Indeed, the complete number of LUNA tokens will be reset to 1 billion. Regarding dynamic dissemination, will there be another expansion rate? Do Kwon stated in his agreement that without raising trading fees, the continued cash stream would fail to cover the security expenses. Kwon requested help from the community to increase Terra's organizational security in the wake of the local symbolism's growth, setting a goal of 7% annually. Will it assist in restoring Terra? According to Adul Patel, president and co-founder of the global cryptocurrency exchange Murdex, LUNA's restoration plan would make Terra, quote, more like a DAO. For the uninitiated, a decentralized autonomous association, DAO, is an organization that is administered and driven locally, independent of central administration. Getting help from the Luna holders, Patel said, even though the plans are properly put up, they might get some margin to come out materialistically. Patel advises us to sit back and watch how the execution is carried out for the time being. According to Sathvik Vishwanath, president and fellow supporter of Unicoin, even though they were running the token on Ethereum, which is a decentralized organization for doing changes, its administration was unquestionably held at the Luna establishment, which is one of the main reasons why Luna faced a terrible fate last week. According to Vishwanath, now Luna 2.0 intends to decentralize administration to transform it into a substance that is sometimes called DAO. So it'll be more widely governed than just by one organization or firm. Breakdown of the restoration plan. New blockchain. The Terra blockchain will be split into another blockchain, although this one will lack the innovative format of the USD algorithmic stablecoin UST instrument. Conveyance instrument. All individuals who stake, that is, grab or swear their LUNA Classic tokens, remaining USTs, and other Terra Classic biological system important tokens will be airdropped, i.e., delivered for free, the new symbolic LUNA. Localized crypto. Only members of the Terraform Lab user group will get this LUNA airdrop, since Terraform Lab's wallet address will be whitelisted for it. The long-term goal of Terra is to become a locally owned blockchain. Token reset. As part of the restoration plan, 1 billion fresh Luna tokens will be distributed dynamically. New expansion rate. According to Do Kwon's recovery strategy, the current sources of income won't be enough to cover security charges without aiding trade costs. As a result, he suggested using residents to increase network security by increasing the local crypto token supply, which should be set at 7% annually. Even though the LUNA restoration plan appears to do rid of the UST and transform the company into a decentralized autonomous association, DAO, it is still unclear whether this will help the recovery of the land environment as a whole. Nevertheless, the $60 billion deficit that followed the catastrophic Luna crash significantly shocked the digital money sector. Whatever the case, financial backers are curious about the result of Luna. Getting rid of the stablecoin that ultimately led to Luna's decline would increase the likelihood that the new cryptocurrency will succeed. Whatever the case, investors should exercise caution while investing in cryptocurrencies, because anything may happen in this volatile market. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to check out more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more videos like this one.